Still no sound? Do you not hear anything? Seems to be there. Let me check. Way too loud, he says. Turn those beats. Better? Or do you want even lower? The comments are late to show. Yes, they are. They're always delayed. Keep going a little more. It's better. Okay, a little bit more. There we go. All right. You guys want to see what the Robo Strategy account is at? It's actually increased by a significant amount. Minus 45 is perfect, or minus 40. What is it at now? Okay, minus 45 it is. Yeah, let's go look at the Robo Strategy. No, not here. I keep forgetting where it is. Trade, invest, Robo Strategies. Yeah, there it is. I'll just open a new link there. Smash that like button. Damn right, bro. Smash that like button. Ben's like, no, back up. Okay. More and more people are subscribing to the Delta Exchange Robo Strategies. This is really cool. Increasing, and every day it gives you tokens for Ditto, however you want to pronounce it. And I staked 2,500 tokens, like we said last time. Making some decent money. We actually the Ditto token actually went up a significant amount the other day. What is it up now? Yeah, look at that. I bought the bottom, guys. I bought the bottom on the Ditto token. Right here. I'm already up 22%. Why there's some traders against the indicators so hard? What? Can you rephrase that question? I don't get it. Let's go look at the hash ribbons too. Oh, we had them crossed. They uncrossed. They didn't close the day crossed. Oh, we are close. We are very close. I think what's gonna happen right now is that we might get a rejection from the 200-day moving average, not the spot exchange. I think we might get rejected right here, come back down to maybe around 42 and consolidate there for a little bit, and then we could be back to the races. could definitely come down to these levels right here and potentially get back from there. We definitely want to see a test of the support. Hash ribbons are waiting for the 25k BTC. Yes, Ben, we're gonna get you your 25k Bitcoin, but maybe not this run. 25k, Ben, is all the way down here. We got a lot for Bitcoin to fall to 25,000. It would require a 42% retracement. Is that what you want, Ben? You want Bitcoin to retrace to 25,000. We got 28, 29. That's pretty close. It's close enough. 28,700. The indicators are moving average and exponential moving averages. Why some traders hating it? I don't know why any trader would hate moving averages. They're very useful. As we can see, the 200-day moving average is just an average of 200 days of price action. And right now, we are getting rejected from it. As we can see right here. What do you think about a dead cat bounce, Mickey? What do you mean? Like a giant dead cat bounce? Something like this? Like this is the dead cat bounce? And we're going back down? You think this is the dump and we bounced and then we're going to roll over and go all the way down? Is that what you're talking about? I don't know. I don't think that's gonna happen, to be honest. In all honesty, I think we got too much going right now. I think look at the. Let's take a look at the new weekly time frame for Bitcoin. Right now it's at 43. We're at 43,200. You know, we've gone down a significant amount from the $45,000 highs, but it's more bullish than you. More bullish. We are still bullish. 14, 15, 16, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, 15, 16, 17, even more bullish. Obviously on the daily time frame, looks like, you know, we're starting to roll over here, maybe curl up. We could do like we did right here. Not too worried. I think we might go back down a little bit, maybe test the $41,000, $42,000 levels. Dead cat bounce at golden pocket, $51,000 maybe. Let's take a look at $51,000. What's sitting at 51,000? 51,000. These are my charts. These are my charts. Everything's here. You know, we'll keep the crypto list up, but let's go take a look. Look how accurate my lines are too, huh? Not bad, huh? Broke down, retest, confirm, break back down. So maybe I should have stayed in this short. But it really looked like it was going to break out last night, as we can see right here. But we just touched the 45,300. We went a little bit over the 200-day moving average, and then now we're coming back down. It's possible we go back to 42,300. Test what fib level is this? Reset the chart. On a daily. This would be the 0.382. Maybe test the 0.382. Maybe a little lower. You go back to the 40,000 or $42,000 levels. Who knows? Does my mic work? Oh, it doesn't have to be a dead cat bounce. It doesn't. I mean, it doesn't have to be anything. We can keep going up. I mean, if the markets keep going up, this is the SP 500. If it keeps going up, why should we correct? Look at that. Bullish. Last Friday, 15 and a -5. And we could even look at traditional TA. Look at the SP 500. Breaking back down. Making new highs. The wedge is coming to an end. Mid-August, late August. My head trader thinks it's going to happen. He thinks it's not going to be as severe anymore, though, because there's so much money to the market. The market's so strong. The whole mentality in the markets right now is buy the dip, so nothing matters. Even if we go back down, it's only going to be a 5-7% retracement. We could even retrace down to these lows. 7% from there. Very possible. Take a look at the 4-hour. Ooh, 8. I think I saw a red diamond on the 45-minute though. 45 minutes got a red diamond. It's working. Thank you, Satar. Thank you for confirming. I don't know about them much. I'm learning for now, but I heard some traders don't recommend use any indicators. Don't use any indicators for trading. That is one fantastic way to get wrecked. Is don't use any indicators and just shoot it in the dark. More money being locked in every hour. It's going up. Is it going up or down? It's fluctuating. I think it's because it's fluctuating with the market. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of doing exactly what we did a couple of years ago. By a couple of years, I mean 4 years ago. Bring this back to the blue list. Finally, the bearish divergence played out. Yeah, a couple of years ago. We could go take a look, guys. Let me show you. Look at that. 2017. Cross, death cross, come back up. Test it. And now it becomes resistance. So, be careful. I'm still holding. I'm not selling anything. I'm still holding everything in the long-term portfolio. If anything, I'll buy more. And this year, for the first time, they start to buy back. Hello, lovely. Hello, hello, guys. Leave a like in the leave a like if you guys are enjoying the stream. Do you guys have any questions about anything? Gotta get to know my Discord members. We have 950 Discord members now. I think more than 950. Let's go take a look. 947. I think 3 people left. What's this? Oh. My moderators will handle that. All in all, looking good, guys. I'm gonna add some funds to this account. I'm gonna add some money to Delta. Been on Bybit for a while. Really like Bybit, but Delta looks really good too. I think there's a way to get no fees too for spot buying on Delta. So I'm gonna look into that. Keep you guys posted. You guys want to do some 100 leverage trading? Make some big trades? Can I even buy with 100 leverage? Alright, do you guys want to do some 100? Can you view XRP? Yeah, sure, let's go take a look at XRP. Jose Miguel Llanos Jara. What are QQE indicators? Buy and long indicators. XRP, my friend. What do you want to look at? Do it, Satar, with 100 leverage trades. All in all, XRP on the weekly time frame looks like it bottomed out. Needs to really fight right here. Gonna have some resistance. I'm pretty sure Delta has XRP too. Add it to my watch list. Perpetual swaps, perfect. Yeah, I like to trade in USDT. 100x. Do you guys want to do a 100x? I never do it, but since it's $2.25, I don't mind. Alright, let's take a look. Let's just take a look at the charts. Oh, we're going down. It's a sell short kind of 100 leverage. Oh my god. Oh god, these liquidation prices. Oh. At least let's do some. Let's not lose our $2. 1 minute. That's it, bearish. Let's go. Short. Place a short. Alright. I told them I live in Amsterdam. What do you think about ICP? What is ICP? I am not very into, well into altcoins, guys. So it's not something I do a lot of. Look at that leverage. %7 in profit. Easy money. Oh, 4%. I'm nervous about $2. I think we're following the right trader. ICP. Alright, you know what? I'll go take a look at it. Did I have it on Bitstamp? Is this a new coin? Holy Christ, what is this? This thing was at a high of 2,831. Oof, Jesus. What am I looking at here? What is ICP? Insane clown post. Internet Computer Protocol. Oh, yes, that's right. That sounds right. I'm not sure what I think of it. Right now it looks pretty shitty. I have no idea. Honestly, I don't know any of the fundamentals, so I can't really make a good judgment on it. So I like ADA. Litecoin I don't really like, but Ethereum, Bitcoin, top two. Check out DPW. It has a huge 4-hour wicks. Holy Christ. What are these coins you guys are giving to me? Does Delta even trade these coins? Let's take a look at them. Let's see. DPW. What kind of nonsense is this? DPW. It's not even on TradingView. This thing isn't even listed on TradingView. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Hold on to your horses. Auto margin top up. We don't even have enough margin to do that. Do we? What did we have before? 30 cents? 39 cents? No, don't top up my margin. Come on, drop it to the floor so I can double my money right away. Come on. Give in. 42,999. Let's go. God damn it, there's too many buy orders. We got a 20% profit. Is that how you guys do it with the 100x leverage and the share your gains? ICP launched on every major exchange at the same time. It was the top 10 market cap for about 5 minutes. That is so funny. That is hilarious. 28% short. Jesus Christ. Look, how much money do you get? We borrowed a nice $172 with $1.70. And that's what you can do with 100x leverage. Big boy trades. Reload that one. That's fine. 36% profit, gentlemen. Oh yeah, 36%. $45%. Holy shit. You know, when I see this like 100x, it's like the gains come so easily, but at the same time you could have been liquidated just as easily by one guy setting a big buy order. What's this little bar here? There's lots of cool things on Delta Exchange. You can share, yeah, I can share my gains. Oh yeah, look at that. Click to copy. Let's go post this in. Oh no. We're losing. We're losing ground, gentlemen. Long it. Big money. I even went on my yellow trades. Yup. It's because I'm a whale, Ben. You should know this by now. I move the markets when I want. Ignore this. Ignore this. This doesn't matter. Yeah, this is Delta Exchange. I've had no problems with them so far. I kind of like them. Great response time. I sent them an email, answered me right away. $2 to $200 challenge. No problem. I can do that. Give me something. Give me a real challenge. We had $2.26 when we started. Does Delta have an app? Yes, they do. They do have an app. But the thing is you guys are in the US, right? You could, if you use a VPN, you'll still be able to use the Delta. exchange on the desktop, but if you try to download the app, I don't think you can get it on the App Store in the US. I'm not from the US, so. How long have I been using them? I think I've been there with them now maybe 2 or 3 weeks. I haven't had any problems so far. Hello, Alex. Could you imagine if this thing starts dumping? It starts to go down like 10%. You'd make 1,000%. From 1,000%, we'd make $20 off $2. Make me a millionaire. That's the real challenge. Oh, it's easier said than done. 52% profit. This is just a joke of a trade. This is a YOLO trade. Don't do this ever, guys. It's a terrible idea. Weekly is looking good though. Look at that. Oh, I even got the reversal on the triangle for the... Sorry, the 4-day. The 4-day, not the weekly. The weekly is just bullish. Looking good. This candle, it looked like this one when we were here. It started off bad for this weekly candle. I remember during the week, in the first couple days, we were getting rejected because we closed the week off here, something around here, and we started off the week falling, and then we had this massive pump after, like midway through the week, we started pumping, and now we're again near the end of the week, probably gonna fall again. Midweek next week, start pumping. Generally, how it goes, the way she goes. Start with $100, 1,000 per quarter for a year. Millionaire. Yeah, easy. What's the take profit on 100x? 1,000%. I need a 1,000% gain. I won't settle for less. You know what's funny? There is a lot of people still watching the live streams, the Bitcoin live streams. There's just an additional 30 people watching this live stream. We're 62% profit. We've made our first dollar off $1.70. Do we cash out? Do we cash out yet? Alex says minimum. Yeah, I need a minimum of a 1,000% gain to cash out. 70%. We're almost 1/10 of the way there if you think of it. Look at that. Ethereum taking another dip. Ethereum's at 29.05. Bitcoin's at 42,864, 42,817 on Delta. Oh, come on, Bitcoin, just let go. They're based off the mark price, yeah. Not the last traded price, the mark price. Right here. This is not the mark price. Yeah, see, the lower it goes, the more we make. You can leave it. I'll show you guys the detail. The detail, like I just put in like $500 in. Actually, I put in $400 in here at the beginning. Now the portfolio is worth 526. Made a good amount using the robo strategies on Delta Exchange. You can even buy yield strategies too. And then these tokens, they're mining every single day, so they're giving me more tokens in return. You could stake your coins, see? 50 tokens from Dito. They're worth 8 cents a share right now, but they were at 60 cents at one point. And if they ever go back up, then they go back up. We really do need the price to break the 200 moving average. You are correct. You are correct, good sir. Cash it, bro. Don't be greedy. No less than 1,000%, bro. Do you even trade, bro? Oh, I'm new to trading, guys. I've just learned the ropes, you know. Don't know what I'm doing. Hence the max leverage. You see? The real trader in me is gonna set in, and we're gonna panic sell at a loss. This played out perfectly. Too bad we didn't stay in our trade. I really thought we were gonna break. We're gonna break at some point. It looks like it was gonna break up. Eventually, we just touched 200 MA moving average, formed a double top, came back down, broke down like this. Double top, break down, retest, break down even more. Retest as confirm as resistance, and we broke back down. Alright, we're back in business. Where do you guys think it's going? Should I leave this trade open? Should I leave this trade open overnight? Hello, Rye Crypto. How are you doing? Yeah. My head trader thinks we're gonna correct in the SP 500, and I think he's right. I think he's right. He's saying the correction is not gonna be as strong anymore, though. He's thinking we go back up, potentially a little bit more. He's thinking mid-August, right? So mid-August is 17 to late August is around here. The price is going to be forced out of this wedge from a technical perspective. So it's either going to go down or it's going to go up. And if you technically follow this pattern, then we break all the way down. But that's that's a full-on market correction, and you need a catalyst for that, and that's pretty unrealistic. More realistic is like 7 to 10% correction. The only reason the entire market would collapse is a massive catalyst comes. COVID cases go up, the Delta variant starts to pick up in the US. Hold my short till 25,000. You want me to checklist the things that I usually do before I go into a trade? Yeah, sure. The trade that I just did just now was based off emotions and purely no technical analysis. So this was a full-on gamble, and you know what? It's turning out really good. But usually, we look at support and resistance levels and moving averages. Usually, I'll take a look at let's say we entered some trades in the past, right here, Bitcoin. We'll just go back to our TA chart. And we combine this with market cipher at the same time, so we can get the best short and long positions. So right here, one of our famous trades that we did, resulted us in completing the 1000% challenge. We saw that Bitcoin was coming back down to a very key, very big support level right here. And at the same time during that day, we went on Market Cipher, we took a look at it, and it looked like Bitcoin was coming out. We saw a big green dot. We entered some longs at 29,000, and from there on, the VWAP started coming up, the price action started to come up. And especially on the 1 hour too, you could see it on the 1 hour as well. We got two double green dots and no manipulation. So we decided to enter our long. And from there on, we saw these patterns break out. We had a rising channel. Usually these break down, but you know the momentum had changed and the trend had changed. And then you can see we had a trend line from there. And then we exited like our trade at 35,000 just to close off the challenge account at 1000% challenge. And from there we entered some longs again. Went up, came down. Retest, we exited here. Comes back down, we enter another trade, go back up, exit. We tried to re-enter a long here and then ended up being stopped out, erased all these gains in one trade. Too much leverage, too big of a position size. And the leverage was only 10. So you can imagine what the hell happened to people who use 100 leverage and follow my trades. You guys are the real brave warriors, the ones who use 125 leverage and follow my trades, because I always say I use a wide stop loss. And then we entered another trade here at this blue line. I thought we were gonna go back up and break through, and we did. We looked at Market Cipher, giving us the signals that it was gonna break up. So I combined technical analysis with traditional TA with Market Cipher to give myself the best advantage. It's a really good way of entering trades. It seems to be working out pretty well too. Oh, guys, we're at $0 now. What do we do? Oh no, the first red. We're in a loss now. Yeah, you guys can trade futures, options. You guys can trade on the spot exchange. This one I have to do some research on. I don't know what move is. And then you can look at interest rate swaps and calendar spreads. You can invest in yield strategies and robo strategies. Why did I close my trade today? I closed it last night around 2 a.m. before going to bed, because I thought we were gonna break up at 45. But if we didn't close our trade, we'd be in a massive profit right now. No problem. You never look back at you can look back and then learn from your mistakes, but you know, makes you a better trader. Can you how robo trading? What? You want me to show you how to do robo trading? It's very easy. I mean, there's nothing to do, really. It's just a robo strategy. And you go here, you basically fund your account with USDT or Bitcoin, whichever one you want. And you can see right here, this one is a cash future arbitrage. You click on it, you can learn. It's kind of like buying a mutual fund, if you think about it. It tells you all about what the strategy is going to invest in. It captures premiums of BTC and ETH futures over the spot market of price of Bitcoin. So they tried to this algorithm tries to outperform Bitcoin by trading on a little bit of leverage ×3. It's pretty cool, and it rewards you in DITO. They're distributed every day at 12 p.m. It's cool. You get little tokens on the side too as a bonus to your capital being. Where am I looking to enter on the spot market? Oh, for when I'm going to enter on the spot market, let's go take a look at the... When these cross and there's a buy signal, I will buy, and I will buy a very significant amount of Bitcoin. Bitcoin ETFs, whatever you want, however you want to do it, you can buy it. So every time there was a buy signal, we've gone up 240%, 39%, 50%, 51%. This one right here, we went up 309%. So you can imagine what the hell's going to happen here when we cross and there is a buy signal. We had one this morning, but it disappeared. Probably going to get one tomorrow. Does robo trading work without KYC? Yes, it does. You don't have to KYC on Delta Exchange. You only have to KYC if you want to withdraw more than $20,000 a day. If you want to withdraw more than $20,000 a day, you got to KYC. Are you guys trading with $20,000? Big loss, big loss right now. This trade that I did had no strategy with it. This is just a meme trade. I'm going to dollar cost average into Bitcoin when the buy signal comes over like 2 weeks, 1K a day, something like that. Sounds good, Ben. It's a good strat. I think you have to KYC to receive the DTO token? No, you don't. I don't think so. I think I was already receiving the DTO token before I KYC'd. Am I shorting? I am shorting. I'm shorting as like a joke right now. But I did have a short open before, but I closed it early. Made a little 2% profit. Nothing much. Covered fees and everything. After this 2% after fees. Total value locked 6.5 million. It's a lot of red. It's a lot of red. There it is, ICP. You can trade ICP here. Oh my god, down 10%. What are you guys trying to make me buy? ICP down 10%. Fucking hell. Sorry, pardon my French, but my god, what is this? There seems to be some support at $27. If anything, I'm buying down there. 49% retracement, no problem. Give it some time. You can only use 20 leverage. Oh, that's not enough for me. I need to hit them 100x leverages. You know how we do it. Nice, thanks Fire Crypto. Hope you like the exchange too. Definitely do your own research too. You know, it looked like a good exchange to me. I like how they offer something different than all the other exchanges. You know, every exchange now offers leverage up to 100 times. Even like I don't need that much leverage, right? So give me something that I can do different, something different. And for Delta Exchange, it's a robo strategies with their token that they issued out, and they reward you every day with. So passive income. It's kind of like dividends, but you get paid every day. How many wallets do you have? Do you keep all your Bitcoin in BlockFi, or do you spread it out all over Coinbase, or Pro BlockFi, etc.? My Bitcoin is well diversified. in a variety of exchanges, hardware wallets, so that, you know, if one fails, at least all my eggs are not in one basket. That's just kind of a way to do it. Kind of like how you trade too. I never go all in 100% in one trade. I learned the hard way. So, and I'm telling you guys now, so you learn from my mistakes and don't do those crazy things. I mean, people still do it in the Discord, and it's like very entertaining for me. But I will never do that ever again. This was years ago. This might sound like a terrible question, but does anyone do taxes on stuff from Bybit and this other non-KYC exchanges? What do you mean, taxes? Does anyone do taxes? Like, do we take into account how much we've gained from the exchange and pay taxes on it? Yeah, like you have to do taxes, yeah. Yeah, technically speaking, yes, you absolutely do have to pay your taxes. How are you going to do it? Is the question. I have no idea. The government has made it so complicated for us to pay our goddamn taxes when it comes to trading, and if especially on leverage and leverage exchanges on non KYC. This leverage trading stuff won't last forever. You know, CryptoFace said it too. It's pretty unregulated. Like, it's, as when I say unregulated, it's regulated to a certain extent, but not to American standards. And the fact that a lot of their citizens are using leverage exchanges, they're probably gonna enforce that pretty soon. That's why Bybit is starting to cut ties to the Americans, because goddamn SEC is gonna come after them. Shh. Sleepy says, shh, no taxes. Can you withdraw money on Delta without requiring KYC? Yeah, absolutely. You can withdraw funds from Delta. I've tested it out already. I've withdrawn funds. It's kind of like Bybit. They withdraw every now and then. Like, they don't withdraw your funds right away. Bybit withdraws every 8 hours. And I think Delta does something like the same too. My first year trading, and I'm super confused. Yeah, the Dell, that's that's normal. Oh no, guys, we're gonna get stopped out. Where's our liquidation at? 43,341. Oh no. Do not tell the IRS they exist, silly. Oh yeah. What are you talking about? Leverage exchanges don't exist. What is the? There's no such thing as that. What's the cheapest way to fund with USDT? Oh, you can fund with any coin. You can deposit. You can deposit. Oops. You can deposit Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dito, anything you see here. You can deposit. I think it's mostly you can trade in Bitcoin, USDT. I think they accept BNB as well. I think I saw it somewhere. It's mostly that though. Yes, Ben, I'm gonna go watch your liquidation video. They are gonna stop me out before it reaches 100% loss, because they gotta cover their own fees, right? So when they take your liquidation price into account, they calculate their own fees. They're gonna pay themselves first. Vicky, use a damn stop loss. Ben, I'm using 100 leverage. Do you really think I'm going to use a stop loss when I'm using 100 leverage? You know what? We'll use a stop loss. You know what? We'll set a stop loss. Alright, you see, Ben? I set my stop loss. It's $1 over my liquidation price. Are you happy? Mickey is from the Great White North of Canada. No, I'm from Nunavut. It's one of our more rustic regions in Canada. That's where I'm from. Yeah. Really good internet over there. You guys can Google it. It's gonna hit the stop loss. Oh, we are getting close. Triggers at 43,340, so we are $30 away from losing. The leverage is actually 165, 167 leverage. That can't be right. You're from Canada too? Right, crypto? He lies. Ben says I'm lying. Ben doesn't know I'm lying. My other moderators will vouch for me. He is from Brampton, isn't he? No. No, I'm not from Brampton. People from Brampton don't know how to drive. It's an ongoing joke. Mickey is the truth. I am the truth. I am the prophet. I am the Bitcoin whale. I move the prices whenever I want. And right now I just don't feel like moving it. I feel like moving it in the direction where it's going to stop me out. Let's see when these hash ribbons or next candles are going to close. We are getting mighty close. We are one tick away from crossing. We crossed this morning, we uncrossed, so they can uncross, right? These hash ribbons, they work on daily closes, so if the daily didn't close here, then it's going to close on the next one. Oh, we're still at our trade. We were $20 away. Literally everyone that says they're Canadian, they're from Brampton. I am not from Brampton. I can tell you that. I bet Mickey's almost in the US. I bet you are in Chatham. The only place I've been in Canada. Mickey bogged it off. That is funny. Do you guys know who the Bogdanov twins are? They're really, really like messed up looking guys now. It's like a botched plastic surgery thing, and then they became a meme for meme stocks and meme investing. It became a joke. Alright, the price is starting to come back down. See, as the price comes back down, my blood pressure comes back down as well. We got 38 people watching now. Dump it? Okay, no problem. You got it. Let me just go on my phone and start moving the markets. That's it. Order sent. Moving the prices down now. It's gonna take some time to fill for it to reach all exchanges. And we're back in profit, guys. See? I told you I'd move the markets in my favor. I had some really big problems with Femex. That's why I left their exchange. It really started to annoy me when it would start switching pairs and it would buy the wrong pair. I don't know. They said that that's impossible. It could never happen, but it happened to me, and they just refused to believe me. Even though I had proof, I recorded it once and I sent it to them. They're like, "Nope, it's impossible." So I was like, you know what? No problem. It's impossible. I'm leaving. Bogdanov are claiming they worked with Satoshi Nakamoto. No joke. You're not serious. Those guys are like French comedy or something. French celebrities, celebrity TV stars. They have nothing to do with investing. You're serious. I gotta look this up right now. Google it. No way. I'm Googling it right now. The Bogdanov twins claim they participated in helping Satoshi Nakamoto build Bitcoin. What is this? The Bogdanov brothers now claim they took part in investing in the leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin with Satoshi Nakamoto during the interview. No, I don't believe that. I mean, people can talk out of their ass all the time. They can say whatever they want. I'm just reading it right now. If they knew Satoshi Nakamoto and they helped him build Bitcoin, they would probably still know him today and have contact with him, which would make the Bitcoin price collapse, because that's one of the fears, that Satoshi Nakamoto comes back and destroys Bitcoin and the whole crypto market collapses. But by destroy I mean like he comes back and everyone panic sells all at once. Because there's a central entity to it. Now it's it's fully decentralized. Nobody's in charge. You know who's in charge? The people who own Bitcoin. Those are the ones who are in charge. There's a lot of leverage in the markets right now. A lot of exchanges offer leverage, which is not the greatest for crypto, but I think you can do about it. Can we stake some more? Insufficient balance. I think they're maxed out for staking. Oh no, you can still stake some. You can still stake, so you can even earn some DITO tokens on the side. See, 50, I have 50 right now. And then it's which is worth nothing because it's worth like it's barely anything. See, I'm mine 17 here. You can stake some more. %, annual percentage yield. 72% annual percentage yield. Oh well, I mean we're gonna be able to buy some more once this trade gets going. Nor do I. But it's funny. They embrace the meme. Yeah, like I think it's a big joke too. I think it's hilarious. You guys ever look at big trades? Kind of gives you a heads up of where the market is going as well. I don't know if people use this. Design the algorithm and it sends the data to the Discord so everyone can take a good look at it. I muted the notifications here, but like as in like you don't get messages on your phones as much because it's annoying and nobody wants to see that all the time. So if you're in the Discord, you can take a look at it. You can see 4 million, 7 million was sold at 43,150. 11 million was sold at 43,071 on Binance Futures. Bybit 2.18 was sold at 43,086. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, definitely join the Discord now. Yeah, guys, join the Discord. Welcome. Oh no, we're in the loss again. You guys have any questions about where Bitcoin's going, the strategies, the moderators, the Discord, the community? Hello. Pi cycle top. Pi cycle top. That could have been the top, or it could not have been. Another one right here, pi cycle top indicator. But the thing is that the pi cycle top you can have two, maybe three. We haven't had three yet, but we've had a top here. This was one cycle. This is one cycle. We had a top right there, and then we had a top here during the next cycle. So top consolidate. This consolidation lasted, 1, 2, 3, 4 months. 4-month consolidation before we ran up. I wouldn't say 4, maybe 3. 3-month consolidation before we had a run up. Now we can take a look at our situation right now. Bitcoin, we've been, since we fell, we've been consolidating, saying 1, 2, 3. We're about to enter, so 1, 2, 3, 3 months. So are we gonna reenact a 2013 scenario? Possibly, maybe. Death cross. One hour looking bearish. 45-minute blood diamond, but starting to slow down. 30-minute, 15, lower time frames. Could come back up to 43.80 and then keep going down. Let's look at the 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute looking bullish. Green dot. Money flow starting to come back. But VWAP starting to top out and starting to roll over, so we'll see. Maybe we'll close our trade, come back in. You guys can take a look at the 5-second chart if you want. Basically unreadable. You can take a look at the 1-second chart too if you guys want to. My computer's gonna explode if I do that. 175-day consolidation. I looked at yes, guys. If you haven't checked out, check out Ben's channel. It's in the Discord. It's in the Discord links. I think it's in one of the links. I think I posted it. I'm not sure. I can go double check. It's he does really good TA as well. Long term, focuses on it. I really like it. I subscribe. Crypto Dispensary. Where we give out free Bitcoin. And everybody wants that. Jesus Christ. Can this trade go down already so we could just either stop me out or give me 1,000%. Pick one. I can't take it anymore. What's the 4 hour saying? 4 hour, 8, 3, 7, 10, 1. Ugh, the 1 though. The 1 looks like we might go down to 41,200 if it keeps going like that. And the smaller time frames had red X's. The daily's looking significantly weaker. Red dot on the 12 hour with a red candle. No, it doesn't mean it's the end. It could always come back. Ben is always wrong, but it's fun, yeah. Ben is always wrong. Never follow Ben's trades. Completely wrong all the time. Follow my Crypto Mickey's trades. We only get stopped out half the time. I'm just kidding. That's not my win-loss ratio. It's actually very good. When we get stopped out, it's minimal losses. And when we take our gains, it's 100%, 200% gains. 70%, 40%, whatever. Still really good. Some people wait 5 years for a 40, 30% gain in their stock. It takes forever. And here we are making tens, 30, hundreds of percents every week. I think it's absolutely fair. It's just because those people that bought those stocks are just too lazy to do the research, or they just bought a mutual fund and they're too lazy to do some research about trading and making money. Hello Joey, it's going good. How are you doing? Hello Erwin. Yes, we are short right now. As like a joke short, but not a short on the challenge account. Challenge account sitting good, almost at $1,200 right now. So Still got a long way to go for 10,000, but we're gonna start making some bigger trades. We're gonna up the leverage by a little bit. We've already upped it. I usually trade on 5 leverage when I get to the end, and right now we're trading with 10. Kind of how we did it at the beginning with $100, because you know we're trading with technically a smaller amount of capital, so it requires us to borrow more money. Everyone's good at hodling, Ben. You buy it and you throw it in the safe. No problem, Tom. Thanks for coming in and supporting the channel. Have a good night. Okay, I'm out. Thanks for the analysis. Yep, no problem. By the way, guys, the market cipher is a 25% discount right now. If you guys want to go purchase it, the link's right there in the chat. It's always there. You can use my link. Help to support the channel. Come on, baby. Whoops. Technically speaking, this is supposed to break way down to here. But I don't know if we're gonna get there. 1 hour closes soon. It's possible the 1 hour starts to reverse back up from here. RSI hasn't bottomed out yet, though. Doesn't have to either. 43 people watching. Hey, welcome everyone. Thanks for joining the stream. Wonder how many people are watching it. $41, $40, $14. We almost have 100 people total watching streams right now. You really hope we don't go to 40k? Why? Why don't you want us to go to 40k? If we go to 40k, that's a massive gain for this trade, actually. $40k would be over 700% on this trade if we make that. Canada YouTube, it's all just Justin Bieber videos. Yes, Ben. It's all Justin Bieber videos. It's all we have in Canada. Canada. Have you guys seen the video I made today as like a joke? It took me like 2 hours to make. 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. It was so funny. It made me laugh when I was making it. I know a couple of you saw it in the chat, but I don't know if everybody saw it. Do you guys want to watch it? You guys want to watch a movie together? Let's watch a movie. Movie time with Crypto Mickey. Huh? We can watch it together. It's pretty funny. I think it's funny. Ben says yes. We'll watch it. Just give you one moment. Get your popcorns. Yeah, get your popcorn out. We're gonna watch it in just a bit. Alright. Alright. It's movie time. We're gonna start it. 。 Maybe I should have edited some more. There's no sound? $1,000 victim, 1,000 BTC bucks.
Come and get them! Hold! Give them nothing, but take from them everything! Stay!
Sell, 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 sell. Sell, 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 sell. Yeah, that's my favorite part too, the 125x. They're battling at 30k. For everyone that knows, we tested 30k so many times. Oh. Ugh. To the moon. It's liquidated.
No prisoners! No mercy!
Man, the shorts got wrecked that day. That was funny. Oh, that was funny. Alright, where's our trade at? 2%. Ethereum. Imagine if I would have entered that Ethereum trade when I was thinking about it and I didn't do it because I was too tired and I didn't want to do more analysis. We would be in over 1,000% profit too on just one trade. I would have taken it, but I didn't. Too lazy. We're up 48% from the lows. That's gold, I know. Thank you. It was a funny video. It was fun to make. Hello, Sumia. How are you doing? Yeah, for you guys that have big balances, you guys can deposit a pretty big amount into Delta and get over a $2,500 bonus. I'm gonna take advantage of that. I'm just gonna take the bonus. I'm gonna put in a good amount in here. Yeah, and for you guys that are learning, like right crypto, it's just your first time, trading. You could do mock trading. You could learn how to trade crypto with paper trading on their platform. Something that Bybit doesn't do. Oh, hi expert. Oh, what? Are you using a different account? Expert is one of my moderators in the Discord. I don't know if I added him to the YouTube mods. I'm gonna have to add him. This thing is teetering. Bearish, but bull's getting some strength. Could dump still. Could come back up to 43,700. Ah, you used your personal account. I see. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm just kidding. You can do whatever you want. This isn't communism. It's a free market. You can dislike, like, unsubscribe, subscribe, do whatever you want. If you subscribe, I appreciate it, and I'll do my best to give you the best kind of analysis and the best content. We're hitting the 200 MA right now. Targets for here, like if we come back down and we fight this level and we come back up, the first target is the 0.6618 at 50,000. Basically 51,000 is the target. But if we break these levels and we enter phase E, like I've been talking about, we go into phase E and start mooning, then that would be amazing. So we go down daily time frame. Right? If we do something like this, that would be great. We start to moon. To the moon. It's possible this is still phase D2. It's very possible that we chop around, right? Because now that we've broken out from the from that trend line, it's possible we come back down and start fighting it as support. It's a very, very real possibility that this happens. We did this back in, we go back here. Right here. Even though it only lasted a couple days. We broke out from the big trend line. This was the Elon Musk pump, so don't mind that. That's on every exchange. We fought it. We were fighting, stay up and down, and eventually broke out. Lost people's interest. People closed their longs, closed their shorts, didn't trade, and then finally, when no one was trading, it just broke out. And then this is where Elon Musk announced that he bought Bitcoin, right here at 38,000. He announced it, and that he bought it. But where he bought it was around this level, where we're holding support right now. Funny enough, where we were holding support at the 29,000 to 30,000 is when he bought. Big losses. That's how we do it here. Yeah, it doesn't look like the hash ribbons are gonna cross tonight. Maybe when I wake up tomorrow morning, there's gonna be some action. Maybe near the end of the day tomorrow. I work all day tomorrow, so it's gonna be a long day. It's bedtime soon, guys. I think I'm gonna have to end the stream soon. Yeah, a little tired. Ribbons cross. They did not. They did cross this morning, but they uncrossed. So you need a daily close with a cross. The hash ribbons need a daily close with a cross. One more red day? Possibly, yeah. Might take one more red day and then could cross then. No problem, guys. Thanks for coming to the stream. I appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Appreciate every one of you. Hit that like button if you guys enjoy the stream. Go check out my videos, my tutorials. Especially you, Crypto, you're new to trading, right? So check out Market Cipher tutorial. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know if we get stopped out on this trade right here. This very, very funny trade that I'm in. Thanks for hosting. No problem, Phil. Thank you, Ben. Thank you for all my mods that attended. Yeah, help out with the stream. Always helping out in the Discord. We're at 2,630 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 10,000 subs before we complete our $10,000 challenge. If we're going by dollar to dollar, we are behind on our Bitcoin challenge account, but I think we can catch up to the subscribers. Is it a bear trap? Could possibly very well be a bear trap. Take a look at the RSI right now. We got ooh. See, the RSI made before I end the stream, the RSI on the daily time frame made a lower high, but on the daily charts, like for the candles, the Bitcoin price made a higher high. So possibly bit of a bearish divergence there. Wonder if it's gonna play out. You're not. Alright. I think I'm gonna cut it here, guys. A little tired. I'm gonna have a shower and head to bed. Thanks for coming, everyone. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. Peace.